वालेकुम सलाम। आयशा खान और ये मेरे साथ हफ्सा and this is Manahil and we are from Dal Public School. We are here for this line following robot competition by EDVON and we are actually waiting here, like we are participating, and in about some minutes our round 2 is going to start, so we are just waiting for round 2 and then yes. All our teams 4 to 5 have qualified round 1. Yes, we learned a lot through this whole journey of EDVON. Like we learned how to program, how to make our robot follow the lines and stuff like that. Yes, it's our first exposure into this. Yes, definitely these things should be like as exposure बच्चों को मिलना चाहिए so that they can learn, they can use their skills, their capabilities. Like they learn a lot of things in their life, like वो आगे की अपने competitions के लिए जो prepare होते हैं. So yeah, it's a wonderful event, I must say. Or sure, if we get a chance, so we will.